And I kept doing interesting things while I was here. One thing about the University of Illinois is it provided a lot of opportunities for people to sort of move in their own directions in terms of what they wanted to do and such. So that, for the most part, it was a good experience for me, and I had a good career here. I was brought in to establish the early childhood education program. There was no early childhood program in 1965 here. The public schools in the state of Illinois pretty much started at age 6, grade 1. There were a few kindergartens outside of Chicago. Champaign-Urbana had them, but if you went out to the surrounding area, there were no kindergartens, and there was no certification for teachers of kindergarten. They were prepared. Those who taught were prepared as elementary teachers. We tried to create a program that was for teachers of children from age 3 through age 8. There's preschool, kindergarten, and the first 3 grades of the primary school. It took a couple of years for the program to be established, and many, many more years until the state established a certificate for these teachers. But we finally have them, and probably the last thing that I did in terms of teacher education here was to work with the people in special ed to create a combined early childhood special education program, so that undergraduates who would finish up our program would teach normally developing children as well as children with disabilities, and also children who were considered to be at risk of future educational failure. So I think as an undergraduate program, it was good, and it serves the state well. The undergraduate program was only a part of what I've been doing. We had started out early, not only training teachers, but training the trainers of teachers. And we actually had a doctoral program and a master's program established before we got the bachelor's program approved. So teacher education has always been part of it. My areas of research interest have been studying teachers and the preparation of teachers, and also studying curriculum, the basis for early childhood curriculum, the nature of early childhood curriculum. And curriculum has developed historically over the time, and has changed with different views of what teachers of young children should be doing to enhance the education and development of young children.